AR is really important, and you should be tracking your AR monthly. And I find people that don't do that when I meet with someone and ask them about their AR, the ones that really don't track it are incredibly surprised when they start looking at it. And they start looking at, does that even, or I'll point out to them, something about that doesn't make sense. The person doing your billing is leaving some money on the table that shouldn't be left on the table. Most of your research will disclose that accounts receivables is considered an asset of the business. So if someone's buying your assets, they're thinking that's included. If something's not right, it's probably going to jump off the page and bite you in the face. I'm Dr. Randy Ross, CEO of Premier Practice Consultants. Reach out for me. Happy to have any conversations with you that pertain to your particular AR or help you do a little analysis if you need a little help with that.